Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you my project to building the server and client. On the screen, this is my server, and then I have two clients on the side. First, I'm gonna start the server, and then get the connection from the client 1, and get the connection to the client 2. After get the connections, I will manage my connection from the list. So I have two connections. And then if there's one connection is disconnect, so my list is gonna be updated. So the only one connection will be updated. This one is disconnect already. So I'm gonna send a request line on and send the request. So after send the request, the server will respond to the chat box in the client's side. As is from here, I have the register the button for the password and the username. My name and the random password. As got the email. So I hit the register button. So it's going to show me the message that the information is already be registered and saved in a file. So where that is saving in the servers folder with the registered info. So it's going to save it in here. So when I hit the close or disconnections, so it's going to send me the message about the disconnection. Now I have no client connecting my server, so my server will be empty. So that's all. And then here comes with the source code with my server. But I will have an array list for the socket arrays. Socket array for the client side. So this array will hold all of the sockets client address. So after that, I will have a thread. It's called server thread to run the client's request is not block the UIs. This one is the display buttons for the list of the clients, the list of the client address to connect to the server. And in the server threads is implemented with the runnable, so override the run methods with get the socket, the server socket number, and then the host address and host names. So it's going to be defined here. The chat area to solve of the whole name and the address, the hostess. So in the while loop in here, it's going to go over and over, and it accepts all of the client request to connection. And when the client got the connection, the thread will restart the client thread. So here is the client thread. So this client thread is just simple to receive the response, receive the request from the client thread, and then return back the results. So it's gonna get the request in here, and it's gonna respond the request from the client. If I if I hit the button registers in the clients, so my server is gonna be say all information into username, password, and email in the test box. In the test file that I showed you previously. And this one is the ask command. So when the client send the ask commands, so I gonna get the calculation with the active number. If the client is send the random commands, the random request, so the server is gonna return the random numbers from 1 to 50. It's gonna send 6 random number from 1 to 50. It's gonna send the current date. If when the client send the request, date request, I was gonna send 10 grade. I think 10 grade from 1 to 100. And we're gonna read a file, the poem.txt in the server files. So when the client send the file request, and if the client send the buy request, so it will be disconnect the client from the server. Yeah. If the client send the buy request, this code is gonna disconnect this, close the in and close the out, the int, and that's what the server do. In the clients, I will have the printer, the print writer, I'll prefer reader ink, and the sockets. It's just the same like the client server, but it's gonna get the host name from the tagbox host name to get the connection from the server, and the port number also. So this one got on the taskbar, the same name of the server and the port of the server running to connect with the server. Let new client socket, and then print the writer, the reader. So this one is sending the request. So I'm gonna get the request from the chat box, and then I send it out. So after I send it out, my command like grades of 5. So it's gonna report back to my test areas the grades and 5 until it reads until the end of files, and then it's displayed on the test areas the grade and the file also. If different one like ask, like the command add to number is gonna show in here. It's just simple one. So glow and deconnect to the server. So when I type by in the request chat box and I send it out, so it will be disconnect from server. And finally, it's like glow all of the printer, writer, buffer reader, and the socket from the client. Register button. Register buttons are the first one. I need to make sure that the connect is on. So the printer writer and buffer reader is not new. So when I hit the register button, so it's gonna send to the server the request, a string like request, username, password, and email. This one is sending out. So when it's sending out, it will be get the response from the server and it's displayed to the test area, the response from the server. If any error happens, so the J option panel is going to show up the connect not set up yet, would indicate that you disconnect to the server and you hit the register button. It's not going to work and so the connection is not set up yet. That is all of my project from server and clients to stay in connect. Thank you for watching.